Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to jailbreak, fully load the Fire Stick. And I do these updates every single month just to bring you up to date what's going on with my store. Some apps have been added this month, new apps have been updated, and some media players for these apps have been updated as well. So you're going to get a lot of content, a lot of new stuff. And this is the latest video. If you're watching this video, this is how to do it, okay? So I'm connected to my Fire Stick. You can see that I'm logged in. I'm connected to the internet. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to enable developer options, which will allow us to load third-party apps. And make sure you're connected to the internet. You sign into your email account on your Fire Stick, and you have it set up to this stage. So the first thing you want to do, you want to slide on over to the settings. From here, you're going to go to My Fire TV, okay, or My Device, and this works on all Fire Sticks. It's going to get you free movies, free pay-per-views, free TV shows, and lots of content, okay? So let's click on My Fire TV. Once you click on that, see, I have developer options. You may not have developer options, but that's completely fine. I'll show you how to enable them. The first thing you want to do is you want to click onto the About if you don't have developer options. And you want to check for updates, and you want to make sure you take all the updates, okay? You want to make sure you have good storage capacity as well. If you do not, remove some things, okay? But once you get there to the About menu and you have the device name, you want to click on that device name 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See how it says no need? You're already a developer, okay? So that means we're already a developer. What you want to do now, once you do that, you want to click back and click back again. It's going to take us to this menu here. And then you want to scroll up to the main Fire Stick page here. You can also hit home if that's faster. And you want to go to search icon, find. And you want to go to the search button here down below the find icon. And you want to search for an application called Downloader. So I'm going to search for Downloader right now. I can use the Alexa remote. Let's search for Downloader. Downloader. You can also type it in if you don't like using the Alexa. And it's a orange, white icon. Click on the orange, white icon of the Downloader application. That's going to take you to another menu. From here, you're going to click the download button. It's going to queue it, and then it's going to download it. But I don't want you to open it up yet. We want to do a couple more things before we do that. So it's going to install the Downloader application, and it's going to tell us that it's successfully installed here. It's going to notify us once that's done, but let's not press open. Okay, there's a couple things we got to do to get the Unlinked store. Okay, so let's hit the home button, and the first thing you want to do right off the bat, you want to slide on over to the settings again. And from here, you want to go to My Fire TV. And from here, now since we have developer options, you want to click on developer options. And you want to click on install unknown apps. Okay. And here you want to turn on the downloader to the on position with your D-pad, with your remote here. Okay. Once you're done that, hit the home button again. Once you turn on the downloader developer options on, go to find, and search for an application called IPVanish. So what IPVanish is going to do is going to give us access to the Unlinked store. Okay, I'll explain everything in detail. You want to type in IPVanish, and you want to search for it. It should come up, green and white icon. Click on this icon, IPVanish, and click on download. Okay, it's going to download and install the IPVanish VPN. Now, what IPVanish is going to do is going to give you access to the Unlinked application. Internet service providers are blocking access to the Unlinked application. This is going to enable you to go in, get all the best updates, get geo-block content, and just simply get more sports, more pay-per-views, and items that are blocked by your internet service provider. And also access to Unlinked is being blocked by internet service providers. Therefore, you need a VPN to access the Unlinked application, which is a store that I will update every single 2 weeks or a week event, depending when new apps come out. And you're always going to have the newest and updated apps. Okay, so to get all those updates, you will need to run a VPN to go into my store. Okay, so let's open it up once it downloads, and you'll be presented. I'll show you how to set this up with an email and password login. So what you want to do, you want to scan this barcode here with your phone, or you want to go to this bit.ly link here. Also in the pinned comment description, the bit.ly link's available there as well. When you go there, you'll go to a landing page. And from that landing page, you'll select your package. It's basically a cup of coffee at Starbucks every month. That's how much it costs, okay? No more than a McDonald's Big Mac at McDonald's. It's a few dollars a month, and it's going to give you access to the Unlinked application, the updates, and geo-block content. It's going to keep you completely private when streaming, and it's going to keep you secure, and it's going to keep you safe. So I recommend running IPVanish, okay, and also to access the Unlinked store. So you can pause this video, take care of this now, and then continue on with me just to show you the rest how to do this, okay? So pause this video if you need to, scan this barcode right here, go to this bit.ly link here, or also in the pinned comment description, and that's going to get you set up for IPVanish. You can pause the video, take care of that right now, and then unpause the video and we'll continue on. Once you're on the landing page of IPVanish, you'll choose your package, you'll put your email in, you put your name, details, and stuff like that, and then you'll verify your account. You'll get an email from IPVanish, you'll verify your account, and then you'll log in. I'm going to log into mine, but if you need to get your account set up right now, pause the video, and I'm going to log into mine and show you how it's done. So let me log in and let me continue on showing you what to do. Once you log into the VPN, you'll be presented with a screen like that. You want to press the gear icon here, connect on Android Startup. You want to flick it on, okay? Once you do that, click back on your Fire Stick remote, click the location icon, and go to countries, and you're going to scroll all the way to United States, okay? Once in United States, click on United States, say favorite United States, click on United States again, and say connect to United States. Press the OK on the connection request, and what's going to happen, the screen's going to flicker, and it's going to connect to a US VPN server. Now we're able to load the Unlinked application. So that's available right here. You're going to get the best discount through my links here. If you just go on Google and look for IPVanish, you're not going to get this discount. This is more than 60% off, okay? With my affiliate link, since I partner with them to bring you guys that discount, okay? So I'm going to press the home button once I'm done that. And you want to go to my apps and games again, okay? At the top here, followed by the downloader application, okay? And open up the downloader application. It's going to open up like that. Press the OK button. Click up here, and then click into this yellow field, and you're going to simply put in the following URL: unlinked.link. So put that in, unlinked.link. Once you put that in, press the go button. This is going to take you to the Unlinked website. You can see I'm scrolling left to right, up and down. I'm going to scroll down when the web page loads all the way to download APK Android icon. I'm going to click on that icon. What's going to happen is it's going to start downloading the APK here for me, the Unlinked APK. Here we are. Once it downloads 3.9 megabytes, I'm going to install the Unlinked application. So when it downloads, it's going to pop up and it's going to say install. Now from here, don't press the open button, press the done button. There's one last thing we have to do. Okay, let's press the done button. Don't open it up. Press the delete, and then press the delete to delete the installation file. Okay, Unlinked is ready to launch. Hit the home button. One last thing we got to do, and we got to do this for every single app we install. Even the movie apps, if you want them to play good, and the media players and stuff like that, always enable developer options. So the first step I showed you, settings, and then My Fire TV, and then developer options, and you can see install unknown apps, and you can see Unlinked is off. I'm going to turn that on. Do this for every single third-party app you install. That's going to give you full access to them. Okay? Press the home button, and we're ready to go to Unlinked. So hit My Apps and Games, and we have our Unlinked application right there. Okay? With your VPN turned on, open up Unlinked, and if this doesn't work, make sure your VPN is on because the code will not work. Press the new library and enter the following code. Click into here and enter Firestick lowercase. Okay? Just like that, Firestick lowercase. Press the next button and it's going to go into the store. Now, don't press enter right away. Take a picture of the screen. Every month you see a monthly update here. You'll see the month that we're on currently, and then you'll see all the best apps that are currently the best for this month. okay? So take out your phone, take a picture of this. It'll be blurred right now on the screen, but if you're doing this at home on your Fire Stick, you'll see the screen. So make sure you take a picture of the screen, and once you take a picture and you know what are the best apps, then you're ready to press the enter button to enter into my store. Now, I made this easy for you. Once you enter the store, I'll explain everything in detail. Okay, let's press the enter button to enter the store. For presentation purposes, I'm in the Fire Stick tools, and I'll show you how to install some of these apps. But the apps you want to get, you're going to click up and down, left to right, and you're going to go into sections. I categorize this for you guys to make it very easy. I have a section for best live TV apps, best movie and TV show apps, top sports apps. They're all categories now. So you can go in those categories and can select those apps. I also have a category, very important, called media players. So get the media players for some of the movies and TV show apps. Next to the media player, it'll tell you for which application this media player is required, okay? So you would scroll up and down and select all your categories, whatever you like. You would say the category here, like best movie apps or whatever it might be, the category you might be in. And then you'll select your app, just like I'm selecting here. You would click on it, and then you would press the download button. And what would happen? It would download the application. As I'll show you here, it's going to download the application. And then you're just going to press the install app button, and you're going to press the install here. And what it's going to do, it's just going to install that application. You're going to get a notification. It's going to go back to the Unlinked store. If you wanted to get another app, you would just click on it, download, same process. It would download the application, and then you would just press install app, and that application would download. Press install app and install, and boom, done. You can load up to 55 applications I have, but I wouldn't load all those in my store. That's why there's categories. Top 5, top sports, top pay-per-views. You have all those categories if you scroll up and down. Unfortunately, I can't show them to you, for YouTube purposes here. So I'm showing the Fire Stick tools, which I'm allowed to show here. So, but you feel free to go into those categories and feel free to look at those applications if you wish, okay? That pretty much wraps up the full jailbreak, and I'll show you here that you can go back into my store, my apps and games, and you can go back into the store at any time. But make sure your VPN is on. I'll show you that the VPN is on. If you haven't taken care of the VPN, please do so. It's going to give you all the updates, all the stuff on Unlinked. It's going to just give you a better streaming experience. It's a cup of coffee a month. That's how much it costs. This is available right here. You can scan the barcode or go to these links here or pin comment description to get going with IPVanish. It's going to help you a lot. It's going to give you constant access to my Unlinked store, okay? So that's pretty much it. That's how you kind of load the Fire Stick. It's called jailbreaking. Some people say jailbreaking, some people say fully loaded. Let me know what you think of my store. I update it almost every week. I'm updating apps, looking for new things, and adding them to my store, and leaving all the crap and all the junk out. The junk doesn't make it to my store. You won't find some applications because they're just not working or they're not good, okay? So thank you for watching. And one last thing, I might pin lock my store in the future. So if I do pin lock my store in the future, please make sure that you make a comment below. Drop a comment below. Very important. Your comment matters. Just drop a comment below. This way I know who you are. So if I do pin lock my store, therefore, anybody that's commented below, I'll reply to their comments, okay? I'll reply to the comments, and I'll give you the pin lock. So just comment what city you're from, what town or city you represent, how long you've been watching me, how did you find me, any information, anything would help just to know who you are so I can reply to your comments. I reply to all comments. Also, all my social media links are available in the comment and description. You can follow me on X, Facebook, whatever you wish. But the comments are important. Please comment on my video, hit like and subscribe, and also watch other suggested videos from me. You can always search New Tech Jailbreak on YouTube, and you'll find lots of my videos if you want to do other things and check out other apps and things like that, okay? Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here, and I look forward to the next video. And take care and have a beautiful, beautiful day. Take care.